that's what I like to see for the short setup, especially on NQ, boy. NQ finds its high, comes back closed and sets that PCL. Boy, this thing could be a nice short. And if this does work on the short side, we're going to fall apart. So this is, on NQ, this is one of my favorite setups on NQ. I'm taking this, baby. There it is. Get up there.
Order filled.
I want to take some profits here on the 5-minute. Just start working a core on this baby. What is that? 60, 63. Call it 68. Cover at 69.
Order filled.
I went ahead and covered some there. My profit stop got hit on the other, so I'm completely out NQ now.